So the other thing that for P5 and 6 is that you need to know that P5 have so much more things to learn, and there's something that we call the Three Musketeers. Three Musketeers means percent, ratio, and fraction. So meaning that these are compilations of questions that are under percent, ratio, and fraction, and really to help children to conquer these three, because many children told us that these are the three biggest headache for them. Yeah, so again, compiled under two books for now. Okay, so you can see how they are like. Yeah, so basically how you can use these books is that you get your child to do, then if your child can't do it, do a dog ear or use a highlighter, then visit them again before like probably a week after, or you can get your child to revise them again before the major exams. Okay, so having said that, for P5s, again, children still want to have fun in learning. That's why we have the P5 Math Activity Journal for P5s. And parents came back to us saying that their children rather do this book than the other books, because this is an activity book, it's different, it's more fun, and can score points and can claim prizes at the end. Okay, so feedback from parents is they rather do this book. Okay, and you can actually use it to test your child how much they know, so that you can have a pre-test before your school test. Okay, so far any question when it comes to P5 and 5 before I go to P6, which is actually the most crucial year, but at the same time, knowing that if you have helped your child to prepare well from P1 to 3 to 4 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, generally P6 is more manageable. Yeah, more manageable doesn't mean that it's easy, but it gets easier for you and your child, because across 5 years you have helped your child to build up a strong foundation in learning math, and with very good reinforced processes and problem solving skills. Yeah, so this is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so